So let me tell you a little bit about our beginner Luxembourgish course. It is built on this book, the Learn Luxembourgish book. It has 8 chapters that review the A11 and A12 levels of the CEFR, the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. In these 8 chapters, you'll review everything from introducing yourself, saying hi, asking how someone is, making small talk, talking about your profession, asking about the kids, asking for directions. And the lessons are there to review the chapters and the information from the book, but as well to give you a lot of additional information, whether it comes to grammar or having that pronunciation feedback to make sure you're starting off pronouncing words the right way. And so you're able to make your own basic sentences right from the beginning and lay a strong foundation that will take you right to fluency. So this is an introduction in 8 lessons that you can take out of the comfort of your own home or at work, even while you're traveling. All you need is an internet connection and you'll be talking to a live tutor. So you have a real person with you to correct your mistakes, to get that feedback and make sure you've understood everything correctly, and you can really progress fast from there. Usually we do these lessons once a week. We can do twice a week. That has been proven very successfully as well. Going faster, that depends on you. We can really go as fast as you can and match your speed, but you just need to be aware of the amount of work that is ahead as we really pack our courses full of valuable information. And maybe you want to go slow at the beginning and then speed up your lessons later on. That has proven to be a quicker way to fluency actually than speeding up at the beginning, not absorbing information well, and then struggling at the end. We can organize these lessons just for you in a private course, or maybe you have a friend that can take it with you, so it can be a 2-person class. We can also look for up to 4 other people to join you in your group if you prefer a small group or a cheaper price, but still want the convenience of having lessons when it suits you. If you're curious about giving us a try, send me an email, lizwenger@learnluxembourgish.com. Adi, a bis geschwind.